Okay, we finished the first stanza there, I pledge allegiance. The to the flag step starts the same as the other one. Find a picture and do the text. I'm going to pause while I do that. Okay, so this is kind of what I went with for to the flag. I just have a flag and the words to the and flag kind of hidden behind it. You can see over here in the palette. So let's say the first thing, of course, that we need to do is trim these clips up. Now you're noticing something. These start to get pretty hard to see, and that's why I have all those second dual monitors. Those of you sitting in the back booths or near the dual monitors might want to plug in at this point and give yourself a little more screen real estate. But you can expand this palette out just by dragging it a little bit larger there. So I'm going to drag mine out here for a second just while I'm lining those clips up, and then shrink it back down. It becomes a little bit of a headache, but that's why we have dual and second monitors. Okay, so the effect we're looking for here is I want these words to fade in rather than move in. So that step's quite simple as well. It's the second one down on our list. We had already covered transform. Now we'll do opacity, which we know to be see-through or not. So again, just like before, I'll move my clip just about midway through, and I'll say, okay, I want the word to be 100% opacity at this point, which we can automatically see. I'll drag back to the beginning, and I'll say at this beginning keyframe point, I make another point, and then the opacity setting is actually all the way over in the layers palette. You're used to it there, but maybe kind of forgot about it in motion, and I just drag that all the way down, and now you can see 2 is gone, but as it comes in, by the time it gets to that next keyframe, it's all the way visible. So I'll do it real quick again. Flag, we just turn it on for that, and layer 1 is actually that flag, so I don't need that. I need the, and I just like to set all my points at the end first, and then go back and do it, do the effect. Now you don't have to set all of these the same. I'm just setting them all the same for this demonstration, but you could have them fade in at different speeds or what have you. So just that simply, I have I pledge allegiance, and then to the flag will kind of fade in. And let's just show you, because flag I would maybe want to come in last, so we'll make the come in a little bit faster and to come in even faster than that. So maybe they kind of come in as you would say them. It's to the flag. So you can see it kind of gets a wipe in there as well. So that's how you can mess with the opacity settings. Again, before I stop, after I'm done, I take all those layers that are on that, control click, convert to smart object, bingo bango. I can even move it down in the same group, and that way I don't have way too many layers. Save, and